if you're experiencing issues with the calibration of Call of Duty multiplayer, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak or unstable connection can lead to multiplayer issues. Restart your router if necessary and test your connection speed. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that your game is updated to the latest version. Developers frequently release patches that fix bugs and improve performance. Check for updates through your gaming platform and install any available updates. Step 3. Adjusting game settings. Navigate to the game settings and adjust the multiplayer settings. Look for options related to matchmaking, graphics, and network settings. Sometimes tweaking these settings can improve performance and connectivity. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console or PC, clearing the cache can help resolve many issues. For consoles, this usually involves turning off the console and plugging it for a few minutes and then restarting. For PC, you can clear the cache through the game launcher. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the game. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the calibration issue. Make sure to back up any saved data before proceeding with the uninstallation. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the calibration issues in Call of Duty multiplayer. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.